Today in this video I'm making easy trifle, and this one's for my mate Rebecca. Ingredients you'll need: jellies I've already set. You'll need a jam roll that I made today. I'll also be showing you how to make that. Peaches, strawberries, banana, lemon, whipped cream, custard I made, and you can also buy custard. You could also buy the jam roll if you didn't want to make one. Set your jellies. Now you're going to whisk the egg and the sugar together till pale white. Add some vanilla, whip that. Then you're going to add your self-rising flour, sifted. Fold that in. Preheat your oven at 200 degrees and you're going to bake for 6 minutes. Once out of the oven, you're going to let it cool. Put down some icing sugar. Spread some jam on your sponge. I also added some cream. Then you're going to roll it like I am. Get a nice clear glass bowl that you're going to put your trifle in. And now we're going to assemble it. I'll just show you what the cake looks like. How gorgeous does that look? Okay, add the cake first, like so. Add the strawberries chopped up around the edge. Then some custard. You're going to layer the jelly and the peaches. Then you're going to add some more custard and more cake around the edge. Then you're going to top it off with cream and garnish with bananas, mint and strawberries. How easy was that, guys? Cheers! Thanks for watching!